Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home upgrades, with a special focus on 3-season rooms. If you've ever dreamed of extending your living space with a beautiful sunroom, you're going to love this. And the best part? We're going to talk about how much it really costs to build one. First things first, what exactly is a 3-season room? It's a versatile space that lets you enjoy the beauty of the outdoors from the comfort of your home, almost all year round. Whether it's for relaxing, entertaining, or even working from home, a 3-season room can transform your living experience. Now, let's break down the costs. On average, the price for a 3-season room can range from $10,000 to $40,000. But, why such a wide range? Well, it depends on several factors. Size: larger rooms require more materials and labor. Materials: from basic to premium options, your choice of windows, flooring, and roofing will impact the cost. Customization: Hommie offers factory direct customization, which means you can get high-quality, tailored solutions at a more affordable price compared to standard options. As you can see, investing in a 3-season room by Hommie not only enhances your home's value, but also enriches your everyday life. If you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend checking them out. I'll leave a link in the description below for more details.